Yes. Oh, that's not too bad. Let's just make it out of steel and ignore the problem. Oh, g'day fellow rookie gamers, here I am back again, back on Poly Bridge number 3. It's your favorite Aussie civil engineer, and I am here to check out another weekly challenge. Real quickly, let's see where I landed last week. Ah, man, bottom 18%, but in my defense, only 90 people actually finished the challenge last week, guys. Yeah, last week's challenge was tough. Go check out that video if you haven't seen that yet. This week's challenge is by Cheeky Face, I guess. Move them in. Okay, oh no, guys. The dreaded hydraulics. Here we go. Alright. I gotta psych myself up for this. Oh man, there's no road pieces either. Okay, alright. I'm calling it. So there's wood, steel, 4 hydraulics, rope, cable. Alright, no springs, no foundations, and obviously no road pieces. The budget is really tight as well. What the heck, man? So less than 65,000. Bring them in line. I'm guessing we just had to bring these road pieces in line. Alright. What the heck, Rick? You got the number 1 solved this week. Oh man. I hope you hold on to your number 1 spot. Oh no. Right. Okay, so there's a helicopter. That doesn't look like a helicopter. Oh no, that's the plane. Okay, so there's a plane. There's a blimp. There's the multi-level cruise ship / river ferry type thing. There's the car with the actual washing machine on top. Oh, that gives me so much joy. There was a stock image I used of some person carrying a washing machine. I'm totally gonna use that again. Wow, man. Alright. Helicopter goes first, which means you can't build anything here. Oh, there's no hydraulic controller, so I can't actually switch over to 3-way joints either. I'm actually nervous, guys. At least there's only one movement phase. Let's just build something really basic first of all. So at least the first piece should stay upright now. I hope. How heavy is the washing machine? So this is the mini mover with the washing machine on top. A mass of 7.5 polybridge grams. And the hatchback is 5 polybridge grams. So by deduction, you would think that the washing machine is 2.5 polybridge grams, which means a washing machine is half the size of, of the hatchback. A usual hatchback is probably about 1,000 kilos, right? So 1 ton roughly, just, I don't know for reals, okay? It might be about 1.3, 1.4. Anyway, so half of that. So you're telling me the washing machine weighs 700 kilograms. That doesn't feel right. Anyway, let's see what happens here. Is it at least going to go across? Oh, it disengages. Oh, okay, hold on. Need to put the same... There we go. Okay, come on. I need to be a bit mindful about what's happening underneath. I thought that was a blimp. That's actually a submarine. Okay, that didn't break. That's good. That didn't break either. All right. Okay, so I need to lift this up. And I need to pull this down. Oh. Oh, that's a no-build anchor as well. What the heck? Dude, this is brutal. First of all, let's build a very basic truss to support this. Perhaps I could do something like this here. Okay, so I want to expand this. And I want to contract this at the same time. Let's see what happens here. Oh, not good things. That was so silly. I guess I could probably put a rope here. Maybe that'll help guide it down into the correct spot. We shall find out. Not quite. What if instead of contracting all the way down, actually it's the issue is this thing, right? Yeah, okay. What if I give a little bit of slack onto it? And let's keep it at the 50. Oh, okay. Bit too much slack. Let's give a tiny bit, like that. There we go. Fiddlesticks. That failed again.
By sheer coincidence.
Oh, there we go. That's a bit better. Oh, bugger. Come on. Oh, this is so janky. Why does that break? Now, oh, this game. That makes no sense. That should not have broken. That's getting pretty close. This is so janky. I love it. Okay, alright, come on. Surely, surely, come on. Oh, bloody hell. Just make it out of steel and ignore the problem. Oh, dude, no, it's too heavy. Let's figure out another way to make it drop. Maybe if I drop it from like down below here. Oh, okay, there we go. Hey, there we go. I got that. Ah, nailed it. Could probably just do this out of wood. Alright, I'll explain the theory for this a little bit more. I have a square here, and that's the center of the square. So the distance here is a stable point with all of the corners. And when I rotate this down, this point will want to naturally snap to this corner. So that totally works, which means I could do the opposite of that over here. If I'm clever enough to do it, I should be able to do the opposite of that. So we will build up a simple truss on this side. Okay, in my head, this works. Let's see what happens, guys. Well, okay, there we go. That was super janky, the movement up. It totally worked, but very janky. There we go, guys. Heck yes. Got it. Smashed it. Not bad. Only 30 attempts today, which is still a lot of attempts, actually. Okay, let's see where I am on the leaderboard. Is this good enough? Oh my god, this is nowhere good enough, guys. My solution is just trash. This is a trash solution. Oh my god.
Much later.
There we go, lovely. The movement here was a lot more controlled as well, if you guys noticed. Although there's an anchor up here, I'm not allowed to connect to that anchor. How outrageous is that? Alright, getting close, guys. There we go. Oh, okay. A little bit too many forces there as well. So if I did that. Okay, so far so good. This is a top 100 solution now, if it works. Yes. Yes. Come on. Come on, guys. Here we go. Lovely. I love the little bumper support there. Little nudge to the finish line. Lovely. Look at that. That's not bad at all. I made it into the top 100. I reckon this civil engineer can do better though. Alright guys, I have made the trusses a lot more ugly. But in doing so, I have made it a lot more cheap as well. Okay, the cheaper truss doesn't work, guys. 33356. Alright guys, look, I might leave it there on the 69 attempts for this week.
Nice.
And let's go check out the gallery for last week, shall we? Alright. Wow, that is a very nice bridge. It's almost banana shaped. Ah, that's the stronger shape there. Rick's first solution. Oh, there we go. Rick made use of the other pieces in there. When I was playing this week's level, I was wondering why there were anchors on that spinning disc. But there we go. Rick. Swing a little bridge in there that like self-locks itself into place. Very nice solution, Dragu. I actually really like that, man. Far out. Whoa, Abyss. Right, okay, well, Abyss was like, I'm not gonna bother with timing this thing. I'm gonna instead time it by the launch angle up here. And Abyss, you have done that beautifully. Memumi, how did you manage to get a shape like that working? Oh, Memumi, I tried so hard to do like more complicated shapes to do the timing, but it just didn't work for me. Wow, your solution's so expensive though. But I like it. Ryan, how mean, you don't show us what you did on the left side. And you got a sub $10,000 solution. Lens man. Oh, I love how the June buggy almost loses it right at the start. Oh, that's poetic. I love it. When still. What? Oh my god. That's beautiful. It does a full 360. Yes, a very clean 360 wind still. Beautiful, man. Wow, I think I like your solution the most so far because that is just ridiculous. I just love it. 10 out of 10. Civil engineer approved. Poofax. Oh, the load transfers are beautiful. I like the way you use that little thing there. That's what you're talking to me about on Discord, wasn't it? Instead of using the vertical panels like I did, Poofax manages it all with that piece right there. He said he needed to do some micro adjustments though to adjust the actual time it takes the Dune buggy to navigate over that, which I guess makes sense. That's very clean, Poofax. Very clean, very straightforward, and just so satisfying to watch. Oh, nice. Wow, hard disk. You're like shooting this off into orbit, man. I love how you got that road piece there. That's like hitching a ride with it. It's slowing it down a little bit and it might be helping it maintain that angle actually. Wow. Very technical solution. I really like that. Interesting load transfer there as well. Very girthy. Malacry. Straightforward. A non-phallic shaped bridge. I like that. Wow. I think you hit the flag the highest up. If you were playing Mario, you'll be getting the max points. You almost hit it right on the yellow part of the flag. Wow, I don't think anyone's actually done that yet in the solutions I saw. Malacry, okay, you've got a really nice solution too, purely because you hit the flag much higher than anyone else has that I've seen so far. Different angle. Dragu. A loop the loop. Oh, hello. Okay, so the level name was Loop Dwell. So, yeah, okay. Dragu, 10 out of 10, man. You met the naming criteria of the level. ZZ Tell, oh, similar approach to Poofax's. You guys both thought about controlling the speed by doing that horizontal flap at the start. I think I need to experiment with that next time I have to do some timing. Gotta keep that in mind. Alright guys, let's check out the cheaper solutions. Wow, man, only 7,000. One of Windsteels? Wow. Beautiful. Dusty. Only 7,500. Amazing. Wow. Ryan's unknown bridge solution on the left. Rick. What's going on here? You've got like a little receiving platform. Wow. Beautiful, Rick. Amazing. You guys are all so good at the game. Wow. I just love watching everyone else's solutions. There's so much to learn in this game. I hope to get good like you guys one day. I like that you used the middle pivot point there as a connection point. Wow, Rick, I wish I thought about that. Obviously, the center of the circle stays stationary, so I could have used that as an anchor point as well. Like, as a stationary anchor point. Oh, how did I not think about that? That's like the most obvious civil engineering thing right there. As a stationary anchor point. Anyways, guys. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. If you dislike, give me a thumbs down. Either way, leave a comment below. I love interacting with all of you. Until next time, cheers.